Police car light Chelsea's huge transfer move. Zubimendi targeted as Enzo Fernández replacement fire soccer. Chelsea and Zubimendi transfer update. Chelsea could make a move for Arsenal midfielder Martín Zubimendi if Enzo Fernández decides to leave Stamford Bridge for Manchester City. At the same time, Chelsea are also keeping a close eye on Monaco midfielder Lamine Camara, who is attracting interest from several Premier League clubs, including Liverpool and Manchester United. According to reports, Arsenal are willing to consider Zubimendi's departure following the arrival of Bruno Guimaraes. Chelsea are believed to be among the clubs interested in the Spain international. However, Arsenal are under no pressure to sell the 27-year-old and have reportedly placed a valuation of around £77 million, after paying approximately £60 million for him last summer. Zubimendi could be an appealing option for Chelsea manager Xabi Alonso, particularly if Enzo Fernández becomes a Manchester City target and eventually leaves London during the summer transfer window. Chelsea are also monitoring Monaco's Lamine Camara. Crystal Palace, Liverpool and Manchester United are reportedly interested in the midfielder as well. Monaco have already lost players such as Magnus Akliouch to Paris Saint-Germain, while Folarin Balogun has been linked with Tottenham. Monaco are reportedly looking for around €50 million for Camara, although Chelsea may need to sell one or two midfielders before making a serious approach. Elsewhere, Liverpool are continuing discussions with Paris Saint-Germain over Bradley Barcola. Reports suggest Liverpool remain confident about completing a deal for the 23-year-old before the transfer deadline. Barcola did not feature in PSG's 2-1 victory over Aston Villa in the UEFA Super Cup. If he arrives at Anfield, Rio Nguimoha could see more opportunities on the right side of the attack. Arsenal are also believed to be interested in Aston Villa defender Ezri Konsa. The England international would reportedly welcome the possibility of moving to Arsenal, although Villa are determined to keep him. Arsenal's defensive situation has increased the need for reinforcements, with William Saliba dealing with an injury and Jurrien Timber having missed the tournament with the Netherlands due to a groin problem. Konsa, 28, currently has 2 years remaining on his Villa Park contract. Meanwhile, Inter Milan continue to view Liverpool midfielder Curtis Jones as a priority target. Fabrizio Romano reports that Inter believe a deal could potentially be reached for around €35 million. However, the Italian club may first need to sell David Fratesi, with Juventus reportedly among the possible destinations for the midfielder. Latest transfer news. Chelsea, Arsenal, Liverpool, Manchester United, Manchester City and other European clubs continue to assess potential moves as the transfer window approaches its deadline.